on YouTube. Like, comment, and subscribe.
What's up, you guys? This is Chriss.pops and welcome back to my channel. So today we are kicking off, y'all ready? Half Wig Wednesdays. So in honor of my absolute most favorite half wig, I ranted and raved about Outre Penny on my haul video, and I had some people like, Penny? Like, I need Penny in my life. So everybody wants to see Penny and like see Penny in action. Here is Penny in action, you guys. This is my favorite half wig of all times. So today I'm kicking off Half Wig Wednesdays by showing you guys Penny. This is Outre Penny in a 1B. If you're interested in learning about Penny, how I blend my half wigs, just my whole process, my braiding pattern under my half wigs, then stay tuned. Half Wig Wednesdays, Chriss.pops. Y'all ready? Okay. All right, so my braiding pattern underneath my half wig isn't too fancy. I have a leave out and I make sure I have a really big sturdy braid around my perimeter, and that's gonna secure your half wigs with your combs. I have a dark colored wig cap that I just put on my head. This is how a half wig is constructed. You have your combs in the front and in the back with your adjustable straps. So I put my half wig on and I don't fully take out my leave out. I put the comb like over everything first to begin with. This is how I found to be the easiest way to blend my half wig. I'm gonna run my fingers through. Nothing is worse than just out of the pack hair. So we wanna definitely ruffle it up, run our fingers through it. And water helps kind of activate the blend, if you will. So I just take my rat tail comb and I pull a little bit of my hair out, like literally just a little bit, to cover the front of the half wig. This is the easiest way to blend, in my opinion, and the water just helps blend it more. Again, I'm just taking a little bit of my hair out, just enough to cover the front of that half wig, as you can see. So now that I have enough hair pulled out to my liking, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Got to Be Glued in the yellow tube. That's my favorite kind. I feel like it gives the best hold. I'm gonna take my edge brush. I'm gonna brush that little bit of hair that I pulled out over the front of the half wig. And I'm just gonna do that around the whole perimeter of my head. Next, I just tie my hair down. Y'all, it's that easy, I promise. In this next step, the teasing, I feel like it brings the wig to life. You never want your hair to look like it just came out of a bag, and I feel like this just adds to the effect of the hair. I love the curl pattern of this hair. I love the length. You literally just put it on and just make it your own. Tie it down for about 10 minutes. Then I untie it. And literally just like that, you guys, you have just perfect, everyday, effortless hair. I love Penny, y'all. As always, I want to thank each and every one of you guys for watching my video, and stay tuned for more goodies.